So gloves off, no compromise, elite football in the raw. Hold the back page! There's a story still to be written!
Dar las gracias al presidente que me ha querido aquí, a José Ángel, toda la directiva. Estoy muy feliz, soy muy feliz de volver aquí. En el pasado tengo muy buen recuerdo y creo que vamos a repetir algo bueno. El fútbol tiene que ser ofensivo y espectacular porque esto es lo que quiere la historia de este club, esto es lo que quiere la afición.
We don't want to hide our expectations or ambitions because we want to fight for everything. It was a strange season. That nothing will change that.
Alexander, oh, it's Alisson! Unbelievable!
Want us to develop during the season to reach a specific point, our absolute peak, and keep that then going for the full season.
Welcome everyone, it's a pleasure to have you here in Istanbul for the UEFA Champions League group stage draw.
Inter Milan,
Real Madrid,
Shakhtar Donetsk, Sheriff.
We have Group D,
Atletico Madrid, Liverpool, Porto, AC Milan.
We have Group B.
This is the strongest group we had, obviously, since I'm at Liverpool, no doubt about that. Yeah, that's proper Champions League.
Es un partido que nos exige mucho porque jugamos contra un equipo que es muy bien organizado, con mucha calidad.
It's a real clash of the heavyweights this. 9 minutes of growing Liverpool pressure.
Arriva il tiro, ancora Courtois.
E la parata di Maignan, Mike Maignan. Rebic, gol! Brahim Diaz! Abbiamo preso la porta di Anfield!
Che grinta Milan!
Yeah, we kept going, kept fighting and managed to find a couple of goals to win the game.
واحدة كتير حلوة برشا، الهربة وهدف التعادل. Henderson, oh my word, that's an absolute cracker. Camavinga, oh useful ball in, Rodrigo. Real steal it right at the end.
Spectacular, again. European night at Anfield, I love it.
Es claro que el partido contra Sheriff nos ha afectado el orgullo, es verdad.
Sebastian Till could strike one! What a goal! It's the goal of his career!
Dos partidos hemos tenido la dificultad que nunca habíamos tenido antes de marcar goles. Ser más fino en la finalización, ser más fino en los pases, más concentrado en las pocas situaciones.
It was just a really good night for us.
And there's the first goal. Liverpool has scored again. 3 up in Porto. It's a 4th Liverpool goal. And it's another big win for Liverpool in Porto.
And the way we won makes it even better.
Yo creo que sí, tenemos jóvenes muy fuertes, con mucha calidad.
Lo ponemos, antes Vinicius dentro del área, eliminando rivales. Vinicius, es una locura, es un golazo.
When these two teams face each other, then it's some drama, I would say, is guaranteed.
Still going wide. No, it's gone in. It's took a deflection, but Liverpool lead. There's the shot. Oh, what about that? What a hit! Naby Keita. It took a deflection. It's in. Antoine Griezmann. Griezmann's chance. Griezmann's goal. Alisson with another vital save for Liverpool. Straight red card for Griezmann. Wow. Simeone can't believe it. It's Hermoso's challenge. It's a Liverpool penalty. Salah scores. Coolest man in the place. Liverpool have won it. No handshake between the managers. Simeone straight down the tunnel.
Winning against Atletico ever be easy, not on one day. And we did it anyway.
Lo entiendo, sí, porque lo conozco muy bien el ambiente aquí. Es una afición que exige mucho, pero esto yo creo que es bueno para motivarnos a hacer las cosas bien.
Yeah, Benzema, goal number 1000 in the Champions League and European Cup for Real.
Fernando, this time he scores, and Shakhtar Donetsk are level.
Oh, Casemiro neatly done, and this is Benzema, a goal of the highest quality.
Diego Simeone is doing absolutely everything right. He is the current Spanish champion. So I couldn't respect more what they do. Do I like it? Not too much.
Henderson, Alexander-Arnold. Oh, Diogo Jota, goal! Beautiful! Alexander-Arnold, he's going to fire, and Mane's there! there and scores. It's 2-0 to Liverpool.
It's a reckless one. Felipe could be in trouble here.
It's red. The referee feels that it was dangerous foul play. And it's a win for Liverpool. It's job done.
We're obviously now qualified for the last 16, which is massive in this group so early. I thought it's impossible, to be honest.
Nos ha costado un poco los primeros 15 minutos, 20 minutos aquí, pero creo que después controlamos el partido bien.
De primeras, cross. Benzema del Real Madrid en el 55.
I think that's the best feeling, that we are still in that mood that we want to win every game and mostly here at home.
Thiago! Wonderful strike from him. Brilliant goal to put Liverpool ahead.
I think we didn't start very well in this Champions League group. We improved a lot in the last couple of weeks and months. I think this game today showed it very well.
Esperar a que esto acabe. Asensio, lo advertíamos. Liga de Campeones certificando el objetivo.
It's easy for me to make the changes, but in the end, the boys have to be then confident enough to show how good they are.
Sort of dinked into the near post. Alisson had to make the save, and Milan have to it. Well balanced, but able to get the shot away. And Salah's there, and Mohamed Salah scores again. And the shot is saved, and there you go. Divock Origi again for Liverpool.
In fact, we won all the games, which is absolutely incredible, and it's just another chapter in the history of this wonderful group of players.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I apologize for the fact that we have had to gather again to redo the draw for the UEFA Champions League round of 16. FC Internazionale Milano as the home team of the first leg.
FC Liverpool.
Liverpool FC. Paris Saint-Germain, name appearing?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid. So Paris Saint-Germain, Real Madrid is the concluding pairing of the round of 16. That's all for the draw of today.
Partido difícil contra un rival difícil, un rival que tiene la aspiración como nosotros de ganarla, esta competición. Podría ser una final.
Inter is an absolute top class team, top class players, top class manager. World champion last year. All respect to our teams. I think it's probably the best team this year again in Italy.
Then they're in. Mbappé gets in behind.
Nos ha costado mucho salir de la presión que Paris Saint-Germain puso en nuestro campo. Nos ha costado mucho.
Casemiro, on va obtenir la faute. Verratti, on joue dans des petits espaces. Et Courtois.
Cross, attenzione. C'ha il tiro, il tiro! La traversa. Poi perde il pallone, arriva il tiro.
En train de se débrider, ça va d'un but à l'autre. Mbappé maintenant dans la surface. La quatrième pour Mbappé. La penalty. Penalty pour le Paris Saint-Germain. Qui a le soutien de tout le monde. Qui a le soutien du Parc des Princes tout entier. Messi s'est arrêté.
فيرتشين بالراس خطيرة والهدف الأول فيرمينو روبرتو ديناميت يضرب الثاني يضرب صلاح الثاني يضرب صلاح الثاني.
Oui, le premier ballon pour Neymar qui est déjà fait dans la position de hors-jeu.
Allez, il faut du monde dans la surface. Pour l'instant, il n'y a personne. Il y a Neymar.
Un dernier éclair.
Tanta gana de ser el entrenador del Real Madrid, que la crítica es bienvenida, così me tiene despierto.
It's a challenge, but we like challenges and we are used to it. We play the strongest teams in the world.
Estamos todos convencidos que el mejor Real Madrid puede competir con el mejor Paris Saint-Germain. No sabemos perfectamente que no vamos a jugar solo este partido, todo el madridismo está atrás de nosotros para empujar. Esto nos hace más fuertes.
Tesa la parata di Alisson.
El disparo fuera. Karim Benzema.
It's under Arnold in. Oh, it's Matip. It's off the bar. Found by Kimpembe. And Mbappé! He's done it again! No, it's not going to count. Flag is up.
Se lleva el balón Neymar, atención a la carrera de Mbappé, terreno abierto, viene a cerrar.
Only Alabama back, and Mbappé has scored this time. That'll count. One in the first leg, one on his return.
La pelota por dentro, ¡qué recorte! ¡Qué golazo de Kylian Mbappé!
Offside. Oh my word, what a shame. And that's for Diogo Jota, saved by the goalkeeper. And Salah hits the woodwork.
Carica adesso il tiro, gol! Il Toro! Il Toro! Il Toro!
Oh, now Alexis Sanchez has left the foot in there. He's already on a yellow. Alexis Sanchez sent off. That one looked a little bit harsh. And here comes Salah. Hit both woodworks now. Luis Diaz.
E allora 1-0 Inter.
Atención a Donnarumma, la va a regalar. El balón para Vinicius, Vinicius la saca Benzema.
Una buena presión de Karim nos ha dado la oportunidad de marcar el primero y desde ahí ha salido la magia de este estadio, la magia de esta afición, porque en los últimos 30 minutos solo un equipo estaba en el campo.
Modric sale conduciendo, se va de dos hombres, se va de tres, atención a Luka, la jugada, Luka Modric continúa, Luka que mete, qué balón para Karim, ¡gol! Entonces Bernabéu, pelota para Vinicius, Vinicius que se va, Vinicius que encara, Marquinhos que la saca, ¡gol! Señores del Paris Saint-Germain, esta es la magia del Bernabéu.
Chelsea, Real Madrid.
Chelsea versus Real Madrid.
SL Benfica, Liverpool FC.
So Benfica versus Liverpool concludes the lineup of our quarterfinals.
They're in the last 8 of the Champions League. So we can't say one of the easiest draw, but they are there for a reason. It's going to be tough tomorrow night.
The good thing, I think, is we played against them last year. We know where we failed.
Here, Pulisic, Mount, they've done just that.
So I hope we can do it better tomorrow and have a better result.
It's Chelsea versus Real Madrid. So far, he's got a run on them again here. Clips it back. Will goal! Get him, goal! Get him, goal!
Benzema is a really complete, not striker player, because Benzema for sure he helps a lot. The team in possession, he moves, he's always in the right position.
He eventually gets in the box.
Swung it by Modric, he's there again! Oh, he's guided another one in! Kanate with the goal for Liverpool. That can be very costly. Diaz is in behind here, and here's a chance for Mane, and it's 2-0. Liverpool are carving Benfica to pieces. It's a good ball in, it's a chance, it's a goal.
But the individual decisions today, even after the 2-1, is simply today far from our level and far from our standards.
Oh, it's a bit sloppy there from Mendy, and here's the chance, and there's the hat-trick. There's the attempt to find him. Kanate missed it. Nunez 2-1. Mistake by Kanate. And over here, Alisson with a big save. Luis Diaz is onto this. He's round the goalkeeper, and he scores in Portugal. Azpilicueta. It's a rocket. It's a brilliant save. Valverde. Azpilicueta gets the cross in. Lukaku. What a chance. And there is the full-time whistle, half-time in the tie. Celebration starting down there with the man of the night, Karim Benzema.
Tie is not closed because, how I said, it's half-time, and we know that. But now they have come to Anfield, and we have to use that.
Chelsea is going to show a better performance tomorrow and be ready for this. But we know that we have to suffer tomorrow, and we are ready to suffer.
If they do get through, it'll be one of their greatest ever nights in Europe.
We need nothing else than a fantastic script if we want to be able to overcome this. And we need to overperform.
Loftus Cheek, here's a chance for Mount to run through. It's a chance, and it's exactly what they needed. Well, it's deep again, and it's a header again, and Ibrahima Konate. Season of the Champions League, it's bounced kindly here for Benfica, and that's a drilled equaliser. It's again from the Chelsea. Right, there's the header, it's in! And Chelsea are all the way back, and it's Antonio Rudiger. Horrible touch, and Diogo Jota, Firmino! Well, it's Tsimikas with the delivery, Firmino, what a goal! That's a glorious volley!
Ahí golpea para Mendy.
He's made the run, he's still going, Alonso, he scored!
Yeah, look, he's given it. He's given it.
His overturn.
I thought I saw it. It's the faintest of touches.
I've got to be honest. And the run is for Yaremchuk, who beats the goalkeeper. But it certainly looked as though that was going to count, and it does. Timo Werner, nice and patient. Still Timo Werner, it's in! Timo Werner with a gigantic goal for Chelsea. And this one certainly does count. Joao Mario and Darwin Nunez. And it's 3-3.
Oh, he's given it. They've given it. My goodness me.
Wow.
Well,
Darwin Nunez, back on the volley, and it took a good save from Addison. Well, once again, Jurgen Klopp has guided Liverpool to a UEFA Champions League semi-final.
Vinicius saliéndose de la zona, viene el remate.
To extra time, and there is the full-time whistle.
Área puede ser esta, Vinicius dentro, buscando el centro. ¡Benzema el gol! ¡Gol de Karim Benzema!
Goal and saved by Courtois. Full-time. It's over.
Me acuerdo de lo que se decía. Hay dos equipos en la semifinal que nadie pensaba que podían llegar. Uno es el Real Madrid, el otro es el Villarreal. Para el Real Madrid habitualmente no es un éxito llegar a una semifinal.
They are made for this competition, to be 100% honest, because the way they set it up, it's really, really good. I think Juve or maybe Bayern underestimated them.
Substitutes might just have won it here for Villarreal.
Of course, we play against players that have been in this position many times. I would say beyond reaching finals and winning. That's why they have these kind of things that maybe still we don't have it.
Inside this stadium, which is very much ready for what lies ahead.
That doesn't mean it's going to be easy. You know, it's always special to play in semi-finals, especially in Champions League. It's always special to play at Anfield. That'll never change.
Morris plays it in. What a start for Manchester City. Kevin De Bruyne has plunged and plundered. In by De Bruyne. Jesus turning and scoring. And Manchester City lead the 13 times champions by 2. Diaz hits it well. It goes to Mane. Takes the shot, deflects it just wide. Closest Liverpool have been. And Mendy can lift it in. It's Benzema! And the dynamic changes. There is just no halting this man right now. And it's going all the way in from the Liverpool captain.
شوط مرتاح يسير الثاني باري
Fernandinho's cross, Foden! That feels a whole lot more like it. Terrific turn from Vinicius, who chases away from Diaz and keeps on going. Vinicius! Oh, wonderful goal! Bernardo Silva, belter! Absolute belter! Did that strike an arm in there? They're saying it did. It's a penalty. He's given it. Karim Benzema. Immaculately calm. Ridiculously calm. It's good ball, missed by a few, in fact missed by Diaz mainly. And that is the full-time whistle. Well, it's half-time in the semi-final. Astonishing night, second leg to come. It was wonderful.
Tenemos un equipo con jugadores que tienen mucha experiencia, que también cuando el momento es muy complicado no pierden la cabeza.
They stride out like gladiators into an arena perfect for the game.
Que tienen que estar listos porque vamos a luchar por una otra noche mágica.
You never know if you will reach a semi-final again, if you ever have a chance again to go to the final. You never know. We have an exceptional team here, and nothing is for granted.
they will go for us. They will high press. They will try to play much more football than we allowed them in the first game.
Dear, 1-0 Villarreal on the back page. There's a story still to be written. And the decision goes Liverpool's way from Danny McAley. Away from Robertson. Capoose cross. Coquelin! Now the cat is amongst the pigeons. Bernardo Silva, good save, Courtois.
دي خطيرة وكرة أخرى من جابرييل جيسوس.
Come forward quickly. Misses Benzema. Vinicius has missed it.
Because after 3 minutes, our mind was not right anymore. We felt the pressure. You have to force your own football through. And in the second half, we did that.
Fabinho, no flag. Fabinho thunders it through the goalkeeper and re-establishes the preeminence of Liverpool. Alexander-Arnold, Diaz! Liverpool are boss now. Sadio Mane's on his way and Rooney has come. His left foot behind as well. Beyond all reasonable doubt, Liverpool European Cup finalists for a 10th time. And Morris!
ورياضو جول! رياضو جول! خلص صاريو!
And Manchester City may be going back again. Have a shot, oh good save, charging in himself. It's Grealish, it's off the line.
جريليتش والثاني كان قريب من جريليتش.
Camavinga coaxed up towards Benzema and smuggled in, and Real Madrid do stay alive. It's Carvajal's cross, Rodrigo.
الكرة الثاني فما حاجة يا الله.
Real Madrid, the team of dreams. Rodrigo, Benzema.
ضربة جزاء للريال.
Karim Benzema, a man of poise, of stout character.
Benzema, Ederson, Edi, Karim. كريم بنزيما الهدف الثالث. الريال الفينال فاينل نهائي. ولدي يبكي فلذة كبدي تبكي. ما هذا يا ريال.
It's glanced on, oh it's just missed. He blows the full-time whistle and this remarkable semi-final is over. It's heartbreak for Manchester City. Carlo Ancelotti very emotional down there, and you would expect that. It's the Real Madrid players who are celebrating. They're into another Champions League final.
La sensación que tengo es que soy muy feliz de jugar una otra final, de participar a una otra final contra un gran equipo, el Liverpool. En mi historia en la Copa Liverpool me ha pasado, he encontrado el Liverpool en la final del 84 como jugador, he encontrado el Liverpool en 2005, el Liverpool en 2007, ahora otra vez contra Liverpool. He vivido en Liverpool 2 años y para mí es como un derby porque yo sigo siendo un Evertonian.
Yeah, I see we lost in the final. It was a sad day for all of us.
سيغادر صلاح مشاركته في نهائي كيف توقفت في نصف ساعة من زمن الشوط.
But yeah, I think it's revenge time.